Israel, a land of ancient history, stunning natural beauty, and vibrant culture, offers a truly unforgettable travel experience. From the holy city of Jerusalem to the beaches of Tel Aviv, this small country packs a big punch. Join us as we explore the wonders of Israel. Part 1. Jerusalem, the Holy City. Jerusalem, a city sacred to Jews, Christians, and Muslims, is a must-visit for any traveler. Explore the Old City, walk along the Via Dolorosa, and visit the Western Wall. Don't miss the chance to experience the Dome of the Rock and the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. Part 2. Tel Aviv, the city that never sleeps. Tel Aviv, Israel's vibrant coastal city, is known for its beaches, nightlife, and modern culture. Relax on the beach, explore the Jaffa Old City, and visit the Tel Aviv Museum of Art. Part 3. The Dead Sea. The Dead Sea, the lowest point on Earth, is a unique natural wonder. Float effortlessly in the highly saline water, cover yourself in mineral-rich mud, and enjoy the stunning views of the surrounding desert. Part 4. Masada. Masada, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a fortress perched on a mountaintop overlooking the Dead Sea. Hike to the top for breathtaking views and learn about the dramatic history of the Jewish rebels who made their last stand here. Part 5. Galilee. The Galilee region is home to beautiful natural landscapes, biblical sites, and charming towns. Visit the Sea of Galilee, explore the Capernaum archaeological site, and relax in the hot springs of Tiberias. Part 6. Eilat. Eilat is a popular resort town on the Red Sea, known for its beautiful beaches, coral reefs, and vibrant nightlife. Go snorkeling or diving, relax on the beach, or explore the desert landscapes of Timna Park. Part 7. Haifa. Haifa is a beautiful coastal city with stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. Visit the Baha'i Gardens, one of the most beautiful gardens in the world, and explore the German colony, a charming neighborhood with boutique shops and cafes. Part 8. Caesarea. Caesarea is an ancient Roman port city with well-preserved ruins. Explore the Roman theater, the Hippodrome, and the Crusader fortress. Conclusion. Israel is a country that offers a truly unique travel experience. With its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning natural beauty, Israel is a destination that will leave a lasting impression.